Hey guys, it's Miss Sweck. I just wanted to take this time to say that while certainly this was not the end of the year that any of us had imagined or really wanted, uh, I just wanted to let you all know that over the last 9 weeks, I have really, really missed seeing you, really missed laughing with you and interacting with you. You know, all the hugs and the high fives and the kids that would come in and try and sneak candy, all of that I have missed tremendously. I just wish you guys the best of luck next year. I know you guys are going to rock it in seventh grade. I know that you'll be amazing. Enjoy your summer, at least as much as you can. Get out of your house a little bit so that you can have some time away and relaxing and resting up and ready for next year. I know right now, next year is still really unsure and kind of up in the air, but just relax, take some breaths. Everything will be great. You guys are amazing and will be totally fine next year. Please remember that next year and every year for the rest of your life, you are always welcome to come back and see me, spend time in my class, come by and give me a hug, come by and get some donuts on donut days or, whatever. Please come by and see me. I'd love to see all of your faces and give you high fives as you walk by in the hallway. Have a fantastic summer. Know that I care about you deeply and I'm always here for you guys no matter what. Enjoy the time that you have and enjoy your time as seventh graders.